Hello viewers, welcome to
Monkey to Man.
In this video we are going to see about the solving 3 into 3 part 3. Okay, come let's go into the video. Subscribe our channel, like and share.
Знаю, почему ты был в отделе. Знаешь, я не меньше твоего хотел бы видеть, как дорогу светят фары с класса 6 и 3 летит по трассе наш зеленый, общий красный левый номер, новый паспорт дальним свете.
Yes, this is first we should finish the second layer to these. I will give the formulas for solving the yellow. I will give in last. See it and go. First we should do only like this. If first we should make it as fish shape. It's very important. And we should make in that side like this formula. If you like, share, subscribe. Okay, let's go to the topic. Then finish to the white. See, finish to the yellow. Then another one layer only. We should finish that. Use this formula. Yes. We finish to one side in that. We should take that side and in opposite side of that finished opposite side we should take and do this formula. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. We finished the whole cube. Yes, it's good. We finished it. Okay. We can see the another how to solve the see how to solve the yellow only. See it. First we should take L shape. In L shape we should first do like to the stick shape. Stick to the fish shape. No, stick to plus shape. Plus to fish shape. And also some can do like this also. But we should make it as only fish. Like this also it will come. But we should do the same formula for coming to fish. Now it came the plus. And do not here and here. We got the fish shape. And like previous, we should do like that same formula. We will give the formulas in last. See it. Yes, this only. Yes, we finished the and also we will tell the next formulas. No, I will not tell the next formulas. You should only do. Yes. We have only one more layer and we should take the computer opposite side and do this formula. See it. First, this. Please note it and slow down it and see. For no time, so only we put like this. Thank you for watching. Let's see the formulas page. See it. This only first L shape, then L line. Okay, thanks for watching. Subscribe now. Peace, bro. Peace.